In this video, I'll show you how to send an international money transfer using the CIBC mobile banking app step by step. Whether you're sending funds to family abroad or paying for services overseas, this guide will make the process seamless and straightforward. To get started, grab your mobile device and open the CIBC mobile app. Once the app is open, sign into your account using your credentials. If you haven't set up the app yet, make sure to do that first, as it's essential for proceeding with the transfer. After logging in, take a look at the bottom menu of the app, and you'll see an option labeled Move Money. Tap on that. This section is where you manage all sorts of transactions, including moving funds internationally. Scroll down within the Move Money section until you find Global Money Transfer. Tap on it, and you'll be directed to the International Transfer page. Here, you'll want to tap Send Money to kick off your transaction. Now, you'll need to choose the country and currency to which you'd like to send money. Selecting the correct country and currency is crucial, so double-check your choices to ensure they align with your recipient's location and needs. Once that's done, it's time to add a recipient. You can select an existing recipient if you've sent money to them before, or you can add a new recipient if this is your first time sending to them. For a new recipient, you'll need to enter their full name, address, bank details, and account number. Additionally, the app may prompt you to enter the bank code to ensure it locates the correct bank information. This step is important for a smooth transaction, so ensure all details are accurate. Next, you'll choose the account from which you want to send the money. This could be your checking account or another account linked within your CIBC mobile app. After selecting the account, enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the reason for the transfer from the provided options. You'll also have the option to add a personal message for the recipient, which can be a nice touch. Before you finalize the transaction, make sure to review all the transfer details carefully. This includes the recipient's information, the amount, and the selected accounts. Double-checking these details can prevent any potential errors or delays. Finally, when you're confident everything looks correct, tap Confirm or Send to complete the international money transfer. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an international money transfer using CIBC. And that's how to send an international money transfer using the CIBC mobile banking app. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.